say thank you very much for your kindness.
We are from the village, from the hotel, Malalewan.
Advisory Council, Bula Binaka, Malata. I'm here just to look at some of the damaged areas in the Western Division, starting from Voreqe towards especially around Bai and Nandi, where it was flooded in the last couple of days. Big flooding. But I'm also here. I've been given some food parcels to come and give to you from Lakshmi Narayan Temple from Suba. They've been preparing food since Winston. Not only food, but they've also prepared some school bags and school equipment for the children, which I've been taking around the country as I visited. I want to tell you that in addition to the international community's assistance to Fiji during Winston, we have a lot of local companies that have put the hand in their pocket and provided a lot of assistance to the Fijian community at large. And some of them I'm taking around now. And I've got some food stuff just to help you for a couple of meals, but at least it's a good contribution, excellent contribution from Lakshmi Narayan Temple from Suba. Some of you have suffered twice after Winston and then again the heavy rain in the last couple of days. So hopefully you will have recovered from all the heavy rain. Sun is out now. You can go back to your homes and start cleaning up. If you need rations, the special advisory councillor here can get in touch with this map to let you know about the ration distribution. This Sunday I will be sitting with a group of people and I will be making an announcement for the people at large about the housing plans that we have planned. There's plans for us to build homes. You know, there's a responsibility, I guess, for government to build homes for those whose homes were damaged. But those whose homes are partly damaged or fully damaged and don't want to wait for government assistance, I will be making some announcements this Saturday about those assistance. So keep your ears out for the announcement I will be making on Saturday with regards to housing. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions for me, please let me know now. I have some government officials with me who will be able to answer some of those questions. School start tomorrow? Was the school being used today? School start tomorrow? Okay. So, but the school was used as a evacuation center? The school was used as a evacuation center? Only the high school.
It's empty now.
Okay. So I request that we move back to your homes when have it clear, so our school children can come and start school again. It's very hard moving in and out, but because of I guess the bad weather, we have to do this movement to mostly to schools. But at the same time, we want to let our school children continue with their schools. So thank you for bearing with us in having the schools cleared so that the children can come and start schools again. I wanted to come, so you can tell me, so I can tell the people here, what authority people.
Itu sampai subir, right?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Iya.